Hello, my name is Carlos Andres Correa. This is my presentation about activity What will the future follow for us? Uh, I live in Ginebra, Valle del Cauca. Current approximate population. The population of Ginebra is 22,000 people. Urban area. Ginebra has an extension of 313 square kilometers. Average climate. It oscillates between 19 and 13 degrees centigrade. Current situation of education. This town has 4 official colleges: La Salle, Inmaculada Concepción, La Selva, and Manuela Beltrán. In Ginebra, there is no university or technical college. Current situation, natural resource. We have 3 rivers in Ginebra: the Guavas, Zabaletas, and the river Pupurrinas. We also have 2 biohealthy parks and beautiful landscapes. On the other hand, pollution levels are very low due to the lack of industry in the region and the low mobility of vehicles. In terms of urbanization, the town grows very slowly, but the commercial activity has grown in the last year. New supermarkets opened: Ara, De Uno. Culture and entertainment. Ginebra culture revolves around the Andean and Colombian music, thanks to the music school Canto por la Vida and the festival of Mono Núñez. Ginebra has several recreational parks, almost all aquatics. In terms of security, crime has increased due to the lack of employment opportunities and the increase in the use of narcotics. In terms of migration in the last year, the massive arrival of Venezuelans in search of a better life has been noted. Thank you.